My name is Keegan and this is my mental health channel. It's called The Combustible Life. And if you are here, you've probably followed a link either from a radio interview, a magazine article, or a newspaper article. Maybe you've got here as a result of a talk. These things are coming up over the next few months. So this is an introduction as to who I am and what I am trying to achieve with this endeavor. Right now, my profession is as a freelance writer. I ghostwrite books for other people, and it's great. But what I really want to do is investigative journalism, but I'd also like to be a speaker and to essentially make a living out of writing and helping people in similar situations to mine. Mental health is largely misunderstood, especially in males, and I've got many times in my life just cheer up. But you can't. When you're in the throes of deep darkness, all you want to do is die, and nothing that anybody can say to you can help. And it's unfortunate. It's a problem that doesn't have a globular solution. But I want to get the message out there that it's something that is not your fault, and that you can talk to somebody, and that there is help out there. So there was an article on IOL about myself in the book, and through the article, the CEO of the KZN Children's Hospital Trust, she got hold of me, and I went for a tour of a wing of the hospital that they are restoring. It's going to be it's a children's hospital, and there's going to be a mental health wing. Now, there's only 7 children's hospitals just directed at children only in the whole of Africa, which is mind-blowing considering there's over 250 in the States. So it's something that really needs attention. Now, the trust are trying to raise money for the building of this wing, and I'm going to try and get involved as much as I can. And to do that, I'm trying to get a bit of a platform so that I can help and, so I can progress personally on my journey. There will be more videos. I really would like to get to a point where I can have people onto the channel and interview them or have a discussion about their experiences with mental health. I'm hoping that I can do some good. So more videos will follow, but that will be after these talks that are coming up. October is Mental Health Awareness Month in South Africa, and it's a great opportunity to start these conversations. So if you've come upon the video and you would like to get involved or support in any way, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Those are all the things that get you higher up on the algorithm. And watch this space. So hopefully I can do some good and I can get some good people on board. Otherwise, take care of yourselves, and I will be back soon. Thank you.